Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. This is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. I am outside at the bus stop right now, so if you hear noises and cars going by, you're probably going to. Especially anytime I do a video outside, for some reason, it picks up. All right, but basically, what I want to talk to you about is Microsoft free web apps. Okay, now the Microsoft free web apps. What has happened is I was reading an article, and I think it's called The Verge. It's a tech magazine, online tech magazine, and they were saying that Microsoft was being intrusive, forcing these web apps on you, and forcing their new browser on you. And I halfway agree with The Verge. First of all, when it comes to a browser, I like to pick my own browser. I don't want anyone forcing a browser on me whatsoever. I'm picky, just like I'm picky about who cooks my food. You know what I'm saying? But the web apps, and they're free. Okay, so here's the deal with the Microsoft web apps. All right, you get if you have Windows 10 and you update your system, your Windows 10 operating system. What happens is you'll see a little button that says Microsoft, and I think it's orange. Once everything's updated, and if you click on that, it gives you access to free web apps. Okay, and I checked it out, and the free web, of course you have to sign up, but it's free. Okay, and you get 5 gigs of online storage, as well as you can always pay more to increase that, but you get 5 gigs of online storage. And if you have ever saved uh, a document, like a Word document, 5 gigs is a lot for Word documents. Okay, trust me. Now, you also get Excel. It's a web version of Excel and PowerPoint. And I think that's awesome. First of all, I think Microsoft sees the big picture. Okay? I think Microsoft sees the future. They see the big picture. All right? And for people who always have had access to a computer or a laptop, they may not understand the fact that right now, due to COVID-19, a lot of low-income families and a lot of just individual people in general are being donated, and given laptops for the first time in their lives. Okay, they just didn't, they may have had a smartphone, but they just did not have the money to get a laptop or a desktop or anything such as that. And this is the first time in their lives, due to the fact that their children or somebody in their household has to have, see what I mean? Has to have a laptop or a desktop so that they can do their online studies during this COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. Now, and a lot of people, if you always have access to a laptop or a desktop, then you probably don't understand, and you definitely cannot articulate what it means for some people that have not had access between the last 2 to 5 years or ever, because they just didn't have the money or the funds. And now it's the first time that a lot of them actually have access to the internet in this way. So Microsoft, and this is going to go more and more, is it looks like we might have another, I'm not sure if we will or not, but there's definitely rumors of a partial lockdown, and then more and more people may end up having to stay home. Okay, they got to work from home, so they can get, some of them can get donated And I created a video on that, how to get free laptops and computers, and I will do my best to put a link to that in the description box of this video. But this is because a lot of people have to stay at home now, and their children, a lot of them, this is the first time they ever had access to anything like that. Okay, and also on the flip side, back in the day, because I use Windows 10 plus. I have a dual boot, so I use Windows 10 plus. I also use Linux Mint 20. Okay, but back in the day, you can make that. We could even make that argument for Linux that Linux don't force or anything like. Well, we can't do that anymore with Ubuntu's new policy. With the exception to Linux Mint, whether you like it or not, they can force all types of updates and security fixes on you, whether you like it or not. Okay, so that version of Linux can't even complain anymore about stuff being forced on you. But let's talk about those web apps. Those web apps rock, people. Okay, and like I said, they're free. So even for college students that do have a computer or laptop, and you're using Windows and you have Windows 10, update it. Update all your security to the latest security. You should do that anyway. But when you do that and you reboot your system, you'll see that link that lets you go to sign up and get free. Use that Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint for free. Okay, and it gives you 5 gigs free. And of course, a lot of people are going, well, that's a gig, that's a gimmick. No, I think they see the future. And of course, you can update, or you can upgrade that to get more stuff. I mean, Microsoft is a business just like Ubuntu is a business, any other business. Sure, they're going to put it in where you can upgrade and they can get a little extra business. That's fine. Okay, but let's not take away from the point that they're giving you this for free. They see the big picture. They know a lot of people are coming online for the first time. Okay, so I give A plus to Microsoft for doing that. All right, I give them much prompts, and I can't wait to start playing around with my web apps. My Windows 10, Microsoft Windows 10. Okay, and I just want to throw that at you because a lot of people may not know that. And all you got to do, if you got Windows 10, all you got to do is just update all your security. Okay, and then once you do that and you reboot your machine, you'll see it, and I'll see if I can get a pic to show you. But you'll see that pic that says Microsoft. You click on it, and it takes you straight to those web apps. You sign up. That's it. Okay, but it really annoys me sometimes when people are talking about, yeah, you have to, but you might have to, if you want more, you have to pay for it. Well, even if you have a smartphone and you download an app, there's always this little bitty thing, fine print that says in-app purchases. All right, why? Because it's a business. Okay, yeah, the app is free, but you can always upgrade for more features. That's that's just the way it is. That's the way it's going to be in the future, even when you're doing with the smartphone and apps. All right, so I just want to throw that at you. It's been on my mind, and I ask you to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, I just give you a thumbs up. All right, people, I ask you to share it, especially with a lot of people. Share it so that they can understand these free apps that's waiting for them. All they got to do is update their Microsoft 10, Windows 10 operating system. All right. And I can't wait to get your comments. And I shall wrap to you later. Peace out, people.